The next step in creating a page is the SEO tab. This is a super important tab to fill out as it will help Google be able to find your website. Firstly, the meta title is what appears when users search for your page on Google, so it should have as many keywords as possible that explains this page. Then we have the meta description. This is a description that appears below the meta heading on Google. This should include a nice little sentence that best describes the page. Next, we come to the OG details. This is the information that will appear when someone shares your link to another website. You'll want to ensure that you include a nice title, description, and image. We recommend using the same title and description taken from your metadata. So just copy and paste, and then upload an image from the file manager. Next, we're going to look at quick links. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.